This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with a quick video, and we're going to be taking a look at this thing of beauty and see where we could have timed this from an entry perspective. A very beautiful move. We can see a breakout here. Let's call it at about the $16 price mark. There's a rest period and another breakout just under 20. That's another entry level, and there's another entry level at about 25, which also could have been used for an entry. Now, I have to say, did not get this one for paid subscribers, but it's a thing of beauty. I wish I would have seen this and timed it rightly. But anyway, we've had other successes. This one is not one of them. What I'm doing here is looking at this and saying, okay, so what was it I missed? And apparently not much really. It's just that we were playing other names at the time. Now, one thing we can see on this daily chart, let's not forget the power of what I talk about. RSI 69.1 can be seen here and here. Those are nice entries, and those moves back above 69.1 correspond with this period here. The stock never looks back, and this period here, both instances where the daily moves above 69.1, the RSI does not look back. We know that's a momentum entry area by itself. Take a look at the weekly. Weekly also showing the same behavior. The RSI popped up above 69.1 during this breakout and lights out, or lights on, depending on which way you want to look at it. But it's a very beautiful looking chart. Now, for the reason for this video is the breakout still does not disappoint in terms of what we look for, which is the reason for this video. We can see a price breakout here. Let's call it under 20. That corresponds very nicely with our minimum requirements, because as we can see here, RSI did move above 69.1, and the RSI did make a move to fresh highs. Since it's an IPO from late 2017, not enough data, but we see that we move to new highs. More importantly, we clip above 69.1. Now take a look at the MACDs, and it's always good to go back and check to see whether the minimum requirements were met, and always encouraging to see that the best moving instruments in any market, for any instrument, whenever they start moving, they flash the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout, my own researched method. I love to see that. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, and if you're looking for such powerful stocks, this is what to look for. Minimum requirements, very simple. If they are met, you increase your odds of success. Peace and blessings. I'm out for now. Yeah.